Hi, this is Gareth Brown from Rich Games for Learning. I'm going to show you an addition game called Addition Space Station that I've developed. Players need to move around the space station, collecting numbers, which they then need to dock in the middle, add together to equal the target number, which in this game is 100. Now players take turns to roll the die, and they move the number shown on the die. Whichever direction they move in, they can't retrace their steps in a single turn. So I'm not allowed to move one way and then change directions and go back the other way. I can, however, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and land on the 15. Now that Blue's landed on the 15, let's say Blue's player 1, they collect the number they landed on and write it in their collected points column here. So Blue collected 15 points. And Red's turn, rolled a 5 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Land on the 29, so I write 29 in the collected points column. Now the idea is to take your collected points and dock them, and write them in the docked points column. To dock points, you need to move, land in the middle circle. And once you're on the middle circle, you take all your collected points and you move them over to the docked points column. And I'll show you why it's important to do that in a minute. Okay, now Blue's going to move towards the middle to dock their points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to land in the middle, you don't have to roll the exact number. So I rolled a 6 then, but I still moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, and because I was at the dock, I just stopped there. I then put the 15 and the 22 in the docked points column, so I'm going to add them together. So I now have a total of 37 docked points, and I cross them out because I've no longer collected them anymore. If one player lands on another player, then that player can steal all of that player's collected points. They can't steal the docked points, but if they've got any points in the collected column, then they can steal them. So let's pretend Blue rolled a 4. They could then move 1, 2, 3, 4 and land on Red. Now because they've landed on Red, Red has all of these points in the collected points column, which means Blue now steals them from the collected points column. Right, it's 29, 30, and 26. And we can rub those out. If Red had docked those points, and they were in the docked column, then Blue couldn't steal any of them. Now, Blue has reached the target number of 100, or gone above it, which is fine. 37 plus 85 is 122. So Blue has won the game with a total of 122 points. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to download Addition Space Station, it's part of my Math Games for Grades K to 6 free resource. And to download that, just put your name and email address in the box just below this video, click the button, and the link will be sent straight to your email address.